In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect steering wheel to Asphalt Legends Unite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option of using a steering wheel to play Asphalt Legends Unite. So, the biggest problem with using a steering wheel, regardless of the model, is that Asphalt Legends Unite does not feature steering wheel support natively. So, if you go over to the game options before starting a race, go over to game settings and then choose controls, you will only be able to choose between keyboard or controller if you are playing on a console or if you have a controller connected to a PC, like me. Even if you go ahead and you connect the steering wheel to any of the available ports on your console or PC, it is never going to appear under the settings. This is because, like I said, Asphalt Legends Unite does not feature steering wheel support for any platform. So the only option that you have to use the steering wheel is going to be through workarounds. They are usually going to be easily done on PC. What you can do is download some sort of input mapper like X360CE, for example. This allows you to change every single button, and it is going to emulate a controller. So by doing this, you will be able to bind every single action of the steering wheel, and you will be able to use it inside of the game. But this takes a long time, and you will have to use third-party software, like I said. Alternatively, if a specific steering wheel model that you are using has some sort of gamepad mode, all that you have to do is set it to gamepad mode. This way, it is going to be disguised as a controller. Now, when the gamepad mode is active, it is going to be recognized as a standard controller, and essentially you will be able to use it inside of a race. But because the game does not support native steering wheel inputs, if you try to use it as is without setting it to gamepad mode or without any sort of third-party software, it is going to be impossible. So keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect steering wheel to Asphalt Legends Unite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.